magabi ikimayuhulog. An anonymous fighter said, "A crown worn on the head will last a year, but a crown worn on the heart will last a lifetime." As I begin this journey as your Miss SIDL from 2018 to 2021, it is my great pleasure and honor to be the face of elegance and benevolence in our JKK. I remember facing a lot of people was one of my weaknesses. However, during this competition was one of my biggest stepping stones to getting out of my comfort zone. Tonight is my final walk as your Miss SIDL 2018-2021,